Ceci est l'approfondissement architectural sur l'adoption du numérique cette semaine, où nous allons au-delà des gros titres pour examiner les modèles architecturaux façonnant la transformation numérique. Cet épisode se concentre sur les défis d'intégration de l'IA dans le domaine organisationnel et sur la façon dont cela crée du stress dans les domaines de l'intelligence artificielle et de la cybersécurité. Je suis le Dr Darren. Passons à l'analyse. L'intégration de l'IA exige une approche réfléchie. Des événements récents montrent les risques d'une planification insuffisante. Par exemple, une grande entreprise de télécommunications a rencontré de graves difficultés. Cela était dû au manque de formation adéquate pour son personnel. La capacité de votre équipe à s'adapter dépend de vos choix de leadership. Ce n'est pas juste une question de ressources. L'absence de planification stratégique est un échec décisionnel. Cela crée des lacunes au sein de votre organisation. Les inefficacités et les occasions manquées en découlent. Les entreprises qui n'investissent pas dans la reconversion de leurs employés font face à un écart de compétences. En tant que leader, vous jouez un rôle clé pour créer un environnement agile. Comprendre ce contexte est essentiel pour maintenir l'élan des efforts de transformation.
Under pressure, a clear pattern appears in decision-making failures. This week, integration challenges at a telecom company highlighted the need for better workforce training. These issues complicate timelines for AI implementation. From an architectural standpoint, it's crucial to establish clear decision rights for AI projects. For your team, it underscores the importance of preparing staff before introducing new technology. You might see this as just a matter of tools and resources, but without solid training programs, each decision involves greater risk and possible delays. Failing to train adequately limits compliance and stifles innovation. Companies that neglect this could struggle to keep pace with industry advancements, trapped by outdated operational structures. Speed, without strong training, leads to inefficiency.
Les leaders font face à un moment décisif pour intégrer l'intelligence artificielle. Récents défis dans une grande entreprise de télécommunications montrent des lacunes dans la planification stratégique. Il ne s'agit pas seulement d'obstacles opérationnels. Ignorer ces enjeux peut mener à des inefficacités systémiques et des occasions manquées sur le marché. Votre approche de la formation influence directement la capacité de votre organisation à tirer parti des nouvelles technologies. Les effets des pratiques opérationnelles rigides ne doivent pas être sous-estimés. Par exemple, les difficultés à déployer des solutions d'IA résultent de limites de conformité mal définies. Cela freine l'innovation et ralentit les réponses aux tendances du marché. Restez conscient de ce contexte pour vous et votre équipe. De plus, une formation insuffisante peut engendrer une résistance culturelle. Des employés mal préparés réagiront souvent par la défense, rendant l'adoption technologique plus difficile. Une intégration efficace repose sur une culture qui embrasse le changement. Chaque décision liée à la formation façonne l'adaptabilité de votre organisation. Vous jouez un rôle clé pour encourager cette culture et maintenir l'élan de la transformation.
Organizational stress impacts AI decision-making significantly. Recently, a telecom company faced a major challenge. They struggled to integrate AI due to inadequate training for their workforce. This gap caused delays on important projects as employees weren't well prepared. When training is overlooked, it harms operational efficiency. Approvals take longer when teams wrestle with unfamiliar processes. This scenario strains several ODXA domains, especially organizational and strategic. Misaligned training disrupts productivity. In your organization, implementing AI solutions relies heavily on how ready your team is. You might see this as a technical issue, but it's more than just the tools. It involves the decisions around training. Many leaders focus on deploying technology. However, the real limitation often lies with the workforce's ability. If training gaps remain unaddressed, compliance hurdles can stifle innovation from the start. To improve this situation, establish clear decision rights regarding training responsibilities. Defining accountability for staff development ensures your team is prepared to embrace AI technologies fully. This approach maximizes potential without hindering operations. The rise in malware targeting critical infrastructure is a significant risk for organizations. Recently, new malware variants have emerged, increasing threats to essential systems. Ignoring this leads to more security breaches, leaving digital assets vulnerable. This situation reveals serious implications for operational failures in your environment. You might see this as just a technology challenge, but it's not just about tools, it's really a decision-making failure. When these issues arise, accountability for security tends to weaken. Consequently, compliance becomes harder to define. This also impacts both organizational and strategic aspects due to unclear security strategies. Many teams focus on deploying security tools, but the real barrier lies in committing to ongoing security education. If security policies aren't clearly defined and communicated, trust erodes before compliance can take hold. To address this risk, assign specific decision rights for cybersecurity training and protocols. This approach enhances accountability and strengthens defenses against evolving threats. Recent shifts in technology are hard to miss. One significant issue is job insecurity among software engineers. Companies are quickly adapting, often replacing roles with AI. If we ignore this trend, we risk project delays and disjointed team responsibilities. The stress primarily impacts organizational and strategic areas. This disconnect between workforce skills and tech progress can create real challenges. Your team's ability to maintain project momentum hinges on their willingness to evolve with these changes. You might view this as an employee issue, but it affects organizational stability and talent retention too. Without timely reskilling decisions, we lose valuable expertise and project timelines suffer. The key takeaway is that while many focus on tech upgrades, the real challenge lies in strategic workforce development. If we overlook reskilling, we jeopardize talent retention and the quality of our deliveries. To stabilize your organization, clarify decision-making on employee training. Define who is responsible for workforce development. This approach helps ensure your organization keeps up with AI advancements and achieves project success. There's a persistent imbalance in our approach to technology. It's a trade-off between capability and ownership. Organizations often create advanced technologies but lack clear ownership structures. This confusion can lead to inefficiencies during implementation. Teams find it hard to identify who has decision rights. Recently, we've seen several sectors face issues due to this disconnect. AI initiatives have stalled without proper governance. Cybersecurity responses have faltered because of unclear accountability. You might notice similar ownership disputes slowing down your projects and impacting results. It's crucial to avoid capability without decision rights. Organizations may invest heavily in AI training but forget to clarify who controls the training strategy. This lack of clarity has emerged in various reports. Teams are often equipped without defined operational rhythms or decision-making authority. For your portfolio, it's essential to establish who owns key decisions regarding AI integrations. This will help prevent delays and clear up ownership ambiguities. Architects should prioritize stabilizing decision rights first. This ensures a clear strategic direction in transformative efforts. Any ambiguity here only complicates decisions across other areas. 3 key choices stand out for leaders. First, centralize AI integration strategies, or decentralize ownership across departments. Centralization leads to consistent implementation, but it can stifle local innovation. Next, invest in workforce training now, or delay those initiatives. Investing now builds a capable workforce. Delaying will only widen skill gaps. Finally, prioritize clear governance frameworks, or operate without established decision rights. Clear frameworks clarify responsibilities and boost accountability, while a lack of governance creates confusion and inefficiencies. For your team, making these choices promptly defines their path to successful AI integration. The pattern is clear. Disconnects in decision rights are holding back effective AI integration. You have a crucial role in clarifying decisions and setting clear boundaries. Think about the stalled AI initiatives. Many sectors have suffered because of unclear ownership. In your next steering meeting, stress the importance of clear decision-making structures. Consistent decision rights will help you streamline progress in your strategy.
C'est tout pour l'immersion architecturale de cette semaine. Si vous avez apprécié cet épisode, veuillez nous donner 5 étoiles sur votre plateforme préférée ou YouTube. Et si vous voulez aller plus loin, rejoignez notre communauté sur Patreon. Cherchez Embracing Digital. D'ici là, je suis le Dr Darren. Continuez à poser des questions difficiles et continuez à embrasser la révolution numérique.